How to reach out to the jobs on Indeed. So, first things first, if you're a job seeker, you cannot directly contact these companies or recruiters directly. Okay? They have to reach out to you first after you've actually applied to the job. They will send you a message and then you can message each other. But if you want to, you can go ahead and reach out directly. Maybe you can just apply now. Click on apply now. You can apply directly here through Indeed. You don't have to go and apply on an external website. Just come here and continue. Click continue. Give them your username. That's how you reach out to them directly. Or what you can do is you can find a company and then open up their profile in a new tab on Indeed.com. And now if you scroll down, you'll see the link to their website, right? Open up this link, open it in a new tab. Then you can find the contact section right here. Now you can reach out directly, you can contact them, you can call them. You can find different emails, different position, or you can do right here, you can fill out name, email, phone number, your location, and what this is regarding. For example, select other and write a comment and send them the message directly. Really that easy and simple, guys.